Mastering English phrases, play for time. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, with a focus on the phrase, play for time. This is a common expression often used in both casual and formal conversations. Let's unravel its meaning and usage together. Play for time means to delay an event or decision in order to gain more time to think or prepare for something. It's like hitting the pause button in a game when you need a moment to strategize your next move. This idiom is often used in situations where someone needs to avoid making an immediate decision or action. The phrase, play for time, has its roots in various forms of games and sports where players may stall or take longer to make a move, hoping for a change in circumstances or simply to unsettle the opponent. Over time, it has been adopted into everyday language to describe any situation where stalling is strategically advantageous. Let's look at how play for time can be used. In negotiations, a businessperson might play for time to get a better deal. A student might play for time to delay answering a difficult question in class. Politicians often play for time to formulate a response to a challenging situation. When you want to use this phrase: 1. Ensure the context is appropriate for delaying tactics. 2. It can be used in both formal and informal settings. 3. Pair it with verbs like trying to or attempting to for clarity, e.g., she's trying to play for time. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, play for time. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering the art of English idioms in no time. Until our next lesson, keep learning and stay curious.